everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small order I did for myself from a new kind of budget-friendly business I've never purchased from, but I've seen it on other I've seen other diamond painters also show this company, so I was real interested and I really want to try the paintings. So if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can also like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So I've been seeing some PR reviews from other diamond painters of this company, and I kept seeing all the wonderful kind of gorgeous paintings that they were either showing or they've been showing on the website. So I figured, you know what, let me try this company. I've never painted from them before, and this isn't a PR review or anything. I purchased these. I was just out of curiosity. I wanted to see what other kind of budget-friendly companies are out there. The company I chose was Paintsomeway. Never ever done any of their paintings, have never seen their site. I just kept seeing a lot of PR reviews, and a lot of the paintings that were getting chosen were just gorgeous, so I really wanted to try it out. So one of the paintings I purchased, I wanted to try their squares, and this painting is just, well, when I first saw it, I fell in love with the image, and I'll make sure to put all the information about these paintings in the description below. So if there's one that you are interested in, you can see, oh, let me go check that painting out. The link will direct you there. As I said, this isn't a PR review. I just want to show this because I really fell in love when I saw these paintings. So this one I purchased. I really love the image. Again, I didn't look at the sizing, but I knew it was a square painting. And it's same as well. It has your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you do is pour the diamonds into the tray, press the pen onto the wax, press the diamond onto the painting, and voila, you are officially a diamond painter. I've never purchased from this company before, but I do highly believe that whatever next painting you purchased, in case you lose this, you'll have one as well. And these are diamond. So this painting I did pick on purpose a square. And I knew if I'm going to be trying rounds, because majority of the time I purchase rounds, I got to try a square. And I fell in love when I saw these colors on the painting. As you can see, there's a lot nice pinks, nice blue. I fell in love when I saw that little blue. I love that a lot. Ooh, I really like this. And I really love how these squares look. I actually want to kit up this painting soon and start it up. Just out of curiosity, because I want to see how the squares feel when I place. Oh, I love that red. And this is the little painting. There are some daisy flowers in glass jars. For some reason, I've been purchasing a lot of paintings with this style. I don't know why. And I do have a couple I believe I've shown before, that they're daisies or other flowers in mason jars or just glass containers. I don't know why. I've been falling in love with those images, and I saw this one on the site, so I figured, ooh, it's a sign. I have to purchase this one. I just really like it, and I really love the legend. As I said, I've never seen any of these paintings or anything like that. I love how clear the legend is. The drill field is a little clear, but I guess because since it's a smaller size, I think they probably kind of squeezed it into the drill field. Because I kind of see it in person. I can see the lettering, but if you have kind of an issue seeing kind of more smaller letters, this might be a little bit difficult, but I do like it though. And some information about the painting. It is GS3676 and is a 20 by 30, and it is 20 colors. And from the numbers 1 through 8, they're all numerical order, meaning 1 is 1, 2 is 2. And from 10 to 20, they're all capitalized letters. And they're kind of in order, A, B, C, and so on. I really like this. I love the little birds. I love the flowers. I love the bottles. I really want to see how they look once you already put the diamonds on it. Because in person, it shows that they're glass. That you can kind of see the background of the little kind of steel background. You can see through the bottles. I am curious what it's going to look like. You know what? I am going to do that. I'm going to kit this up next, probably after this recording. Because I really want to see how it's going to come together. And I haven't had a chance of really working on smaller paintings that are squares. So I am curious how it's going to look like. Me and my theories. And, well, just in case it's not as clear, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen just to see if maybe this kind of painting is your style as well. And as I want to say again, I'm not affiliated, I'm not sponsored or anything. I just really want to try this company because I said I fell in love with all the paintings I saw. My next painting, I'm only showing two because that was a smaller one. My next one is a large one. My next painting, I'm going to give a shout out to Miss Star from Starlight Starbright 40. I'm putting the blame on you because I saw your PR review. And when you were going through, and don't get me wrong, there's a wonderful video. And I loved all the paintings she chose. But when she was showing the website on her phone or tablet, I'm not too sure, apologies, she was showing all these other paintings that were on the site. Well, she passed by quickly of a painting. And it's because since right now, a lot of diamond painting companies are showing Halloween because we're getting close to October. She passed by this kitty cat one. I fell in love when I saw it and I knew I had to pick it up. So that's why I bought from this company based off of because of what I saw in her PR review video. My apologies, that sounds really weird, but I'm being really honest and transparent. So that's why I put a little bit of blame on that. Well, not blame, just kind of inspiration that I had to buy. So, and I saw she was showing these options, and I just fell in love with this kitty cat painting. That's why I wanted to pick it up. So, thank you, Miss Star, for showing that video. Thank you so much for that. So, this one, as you can tell, is a larger painting. I'm just going to unfurl it a bit. The canvas is kind of, I like it though. It feels a little not as stiff, but I can tell the canvas is a really tougher material, and I like that. Same thing, standard kit, as I said. They were going to come you. I'm sorry, they were going to come after you. And these are the paintings. This is a round painting. So, this painting had an option for ABs as well, but at time of purchase, I really couldn't really afford the AB version. But since I've never painted from this company before, I want to try this out. And if I do really enjoy the paintings and the rounds, I'll make sure to buy an AB version later down the line. I really love these colors. The dark violets, the dark burgundy, the dark teal. I always love it when I get the dark teal. These are really, really, man, these diamonds look really, really nice. I'm a big fan of it. And they are all kitted up, so they're already in Ziploc bags. I'm actually currently working on one painting that I did not move it to a different storage. I'm just using Ziploc bags. I'm getting kind of sort of comfortable with it, but since these are so many, I think I'll move them to my usual storage container. And this is the wonderful painting. It's a little black cat with a witch hat on jack-o'-lantern. Sorry, I forgot what the term was. On these pumpkins, and I love the purple background. Love the purple background and the moon. I know there's a lot of white. Honestly, I think they should have gone with kind of either maybe a light gray and not black, because I think it'd be way too much of a contrast and it would be more a whole bunch of black you'd have to do in the background. But if, I don't know, little streaks of color, but I don't mind. I've done a lot of paintings with the white background, so I'm kind of used to it. Oh my goodness, this kitty cat is so cute. And as I said, as soon as I saw it, I knew I had to have it. And it's so cute. I really love it. And I knew it was going to be a larger painting, so I had no problems with it. And it's perfect. I'll probably start this one up probably close to near the, well, no, maybe the end of this month, because we're already, I believe, on the second week of September. Sorry, I don't have a calendar in front of me. And since this is a larger one, it will take me a bit, but I'll think about it. And so some information about this painting is JC490 and is a 40 by 40, and it's 20 colors as well. And the legend is all capital letters. Oh my goodness, thank goodness. There's no symbols, no numbers or anything. Huh. Maybe I should kit this one up next. But I really want to try that square one, so I'll think about it. I'm not sure, because the kitty cat is just staring at me, and it's just so cute. So, thank you, Miss Star, for showing that PR review. It allowed me to actually find out about this company and give me an opportunity to purchase as well. As I said, I bought this with my own money. This isn't PR or anything. I just picked it because I really wanted to. I also want to try other budget-friendly companies because the majority of my paintings, as y'all probably know, are all Temu. So I do want to reach out there and see, because I know there are numerous budget-friendly companies, and I really want to reach out there and, get more into my portfolio, as you can say, so I can get more experience and actually enjoy a couple more paintings. So, for these two paintings, I'm going to put the price of them on the corner of the screen, just in case you're curious about purchasing one. The name of this painting on the website, I found it as Halloween Pumpkin Witch Cat. For the previous painting, it has the name Daisy in a Bottle. So, and as I said, I'm going to put all the links and information in the description below. So if you're curious, or if maybe you want a kitty cat as well, you can find it through that link. And they do have different styles, but this is the one I really wanted, so that's why I picked it up. And yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. I do have a couple more paintings I purchased from this company, but I kind of wanted to split it into two videos just to show kind of a more variety in my channel, because the majority of them are all Temu. Don't get me wrong, I love Temu paintings, but I do want to show a couple more out there just in case there's something y'all are interested in. And the other paintings are smaller. I knew this one's going to take a little longer because it's larger, so I wanted a little more time on this one. Sorry about that. And yeah, sorry that this video is so kind of random, but it's just I really wanted to show these to y'all, and I really love how this kitty cat looks. I said it a bunch of times, so yeah. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really puts my channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show everyone all these wonderful paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.